Good morning. We are up, we are packed, loading the car, and we are heading to Port Canaveral, Florida. We're going to spend the night tonight at a hotel, and then tomorrow morning we're getting on the Mariner of the Seas. So let's go. So we've been in the car for almost 4 hours and we have just arrived in Florida, and so we're going to go somewhere where neither of us have ever been and have something that we've heard is really good, some good snacks and some good brisket. So where are we going, William?
Buc-ees.
We're going to Buc-ees. Ooh, we're at Buc-ees. You think they have enough gas pumps, babe?
Yeah. You got more than Kiki?
More than QT, I think so. Sub sandwiches, key lime pie cup. Get a brisket sandwich.
And they got stuff for your home.
William's dancing.
It smells good. It's spicy.
You're dancing. And they have clothes and jewelry. That's a cute top. Halloween. So babe, what do you think about this place?
Cool place.
You already got a t-shirt.
Yep.
And what else we get in there?
Beaver nuggets.
Some beaver nuggets. The jerky wall. What did you just experience?
It's almost like a amusement park. Without the ride.
It's like Williams Amusement Park. So it's lunchtime, so we did get some things to have for our lunch. We're actually going to share three things.
Yes.
Right?
4 things.
Oh yeah, we got 4 things.
4 things.
William also found a t-shirt there, but that's not part of lunch. Alright, so William, go ahead. So William's going to share with you what we got from Buc-ees, and then we're just going to have a car picnic and eat our lunch, and then head to Port Canaveral after that. Actually, Titusville, but we'll talk about that in a minute. It's your turn to share.
Laurie picked this bag up and said we had to try it because someone told her we have to try these.
Well, it's the thing. It's one of the Buc-ees things.
Beaver nuggets. Brown sugar, cornmeal, corn syrup. Looks like maybe cereal without the milk.
I think, yeah, it looks like corn pops to me, but
Yeah.
we'll try those out. That'll be our dessert.
Yeah.
All right, what do we get for lunch?
Okay, we got the beaver chips we're going to share.
You want to try one and tell what it tastes like? They were
very crispy.
Yeah, they were by the sandwiches, the hot sandwiches.
Very crispy.
So that will go with our sandwiches. And then we got 2 sandwiches, but we're going to split each one so we can try them.
So we have to try the chopped brisket sandwich. So we're going to have
chopped brisket sandwich, yes.
And then they got several other sandwiches. And
Yeah.
And we get the fried chicken sandwich.
Fried chicken sandwich. Alright, you ready to try them?
Yep.
Alright. Go ahead and taste the brisket, honey. Tell us what you think. Just thumbs up.
Good. It's good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we just split them and split it. It looks like it's gonna be messy though. I don't like eating on camera, but okay. Yum.
Yeah.
Yum. That is so good. Okay. So it's barbecue. Smoked. Perfect. Would definitely recommend the brisket sandwich. And we'll be back when we try the chicken sandwich. If you wonder how we got our sandwich cut in half. William, what you using over there?
A multi-tool that is in her car that she didn't know she had.
Show it.
Gerber multi-tool.
That's how you cut your sandwich in half. We're eating our brisket sandwich, which was A+.
Yes.
So good. And it had a little spice to it, but it was so good.
Yeah.
But we're just talking about the bathrooms here at Buc-ee's. And how many urinals did you count? Because we decided he wanted to count the urinals. How many urinals did you count?
I think there are 24.
24 urinals in the bathroom. The bathroom was super nice, super clean. Next. Alright, show them what you got.
We have the chicken sandwich. Okay.
It has... It's like...
Pickle.
Is it melon? Is it like a relish? No.
Yeah,
just
pickle.
Mayonnaise, pickle, and chicken. This is like a grab and go kind of thing, but you could probably, if you don't want mayonnaise, you could probably order one, I guess, without, probably.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. God, that's good. That's really good too.
It is.
So, if you don't like brisket, get chicken sandwich. It's delicious.
Yep.
All right, William, what are you trying?
Trying the beaver nuggets.
Beaver nuggets. Okay. You smell it first. Okay.
Yeah.
They had different flavors too. This is the original one. They had like a cheddar one, sea salt caramel one. We decided to go traditional since, yeah, most people talk about them. So we decided to try them.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah.
I like how they're not so sweet actually.
Yeah, I like it where it's not that sweet.
I feel like you should put it in a bowl and pour milk over it though. And eat it like cereal.
Yeah.
Ooh, crunchy. So if you like a semi-sweet snack, it's a good snack to have. So, guess what we're going to do coming back from the cruise?
Hopefully stop again.
We're going to go, we're at the Buc-ees in St. Augustine, Florida. And I think there's another one near Daytona Beach, Florida. So we're going to stop there on the way back from the cruise and probably try their biscuit. Because we probably will get off the ship pretty early and might not have breakfast. So that's what we're going to do. So now we're heading to Titusville, which is where our hotel is, which is near Port Canaveral. And in a little bit, I'm going to tell you, once we get on the road, I'll tell you about what we're using as far as where we're parking our car, where we're staying, and all that. So, see you soon. Look at him. Hello. That's funny. So now we're heading to our hotel. We're going to be staying at the TownePlace Suites in Titusville, Florida. And the way we found the hotel is we are using GoPort. We're going to, it's like a package deal where you stay at the hotel and then you park your car at the GoPort parking garage, and then they shuttle you to the cruise ship. And we found out about this through TJ and Kayla through T&K Travel, so thank you guys for telling us about it. And so we are heading to the hotel, and when we get there, it's excuse us, it's raining, so that's why you hear a lot of noise probably. But when we get there, we're going to give you a room tour, and then we'll be in for the night, and then we're getting up in the morning and we're going on a cruise. And we are here. We're here in our hotel room at the TownePlace Suites in Titusville, Florida, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. First, I want to show you the kitchen. It's pretty much almost a whole kitchen. So when you walk in, you have the kitchen, and there's a full-size refrigerator, storage, a sink, coffee maker, dishwasher, a little stove, and let's see. Yep, they have some pans and things like that. It's nice. Has a microwave, and has coffee for your coffee maker. I would definitely use that in the morning. Excuse our stuff right here. We have a desk and a couch that folds out to a bed. William said this is perfect for laying down because you have a little back rest and a headrest if you want to lay on the couch. And I think this little tray right here can come off, and maybe you could use it for breakfast in bed maybe. And behind me, king size bed. I'm really excited about that because honestly I'm tired. It's only 4 o'clock. I think I'm gonna have my pajamas on by 5. Gotta rest up for cruise day. Large television. The cool thing is, as soon as we walked in the room, the television came on. It was kind of creepy, but it also has my name on it. See? There. That's my name. Then finally, we have a nice size bathroom with a big shower. So that will end today's video. This was a fun travel day. It really wasn't a bad drive at all. The traffic wasn't bad. The road construction wasn't bad, which is kind of odd driving to Florida. We're probably going to really chill out the rest of the evening, get some rest, and tomorrow is the big day. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We are usually a mother-daughter team that love to travel. This time it's going to be William and I traveling, and we just can't wait to show you everything exciting about our cruise on Marriott of the Seas. See you tomorrow.